Hello, I'm Anushka Ghosh. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of nurturing hobbies in this pandemic situation. For the last few months, we are passing through a strange situation. Our life has changed abruptly, and we have no idea how long it will continue. People are desperately trying to cope up with this so called new normal life. They need to do social distancing, they do miss their friends, colleagues, their relatives, their workplace. Children are missing their schools, their playgrounds, and we do miss the freedom to interact with people and to walk around freely. This situation makes people anxious, depressed, and fearful. Here, hobbies play an important role in reducing stress. It makes it keeps our brain active. It indulges our creativity. It brings sense of fun and freedom. As it needs some focus in a particular thing, it increases our concentration level and it distracts us from thinking about the present stressful situation and keeps ourselves busy and occupied. In a nutshell, hobbies act as a stress buster. Children are becoming very restless and hyperactive nowadays as they get away from their schools, from their favorite outdoor activities. Children get the opportunity to express their energy, to express their activities through hobbies, to channelize their energy through hobbies. In this strange situation, we the adults are also homebound and have more time in hand than before. We may get occupied by indulging our old hobbies, or may develop some new ones to inspire ourselves for the well-being of our mental health. Right now, when anxiety is high, we need to do our favorite activities for at least 1 or 2 hours to manage our stress to some extent. Researchers have found that the people who have hobbies tend to get less depressed and have better cardiovascular health than the people who don't have. At the end, I would like to say that we all should have some me time to pamper ourselves through our hobbies. The pleasure and happiness will carry forward as energy to our routine, monotonous activities.